Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can delete your account permanently from Wise. So first of all, what I need you to do is go through your phone if you have like your application on your phone or tablet, and go to the application Wise and open it. If else, if you have like PC like me, what you have to do is just go to their website and let's open their website just like so. Now from here, if you want to register for the first time, you can just choose to register, and here you put your email address, then you put your phone number. They will send you a verification code, so you paste it and then you put your password, and that will be done with the creation of the account. Of course, you can like skip all of that just by clicking on one of these options, which is Gmail or Facebook or Apple account, and then you will be creating your account using these ones. So now let's say that you have already your account created and you logged in. Now how we can actually delete our accounts permanently. So first of all guys, make sure that your all money that you have on your account is basically not in here, because if you deleted your account, all the money will be wasted and gone, and you will not be able to access this money again. So first of all, what you have to do is click on send money, or you can just click it from here if you don't have it like that. So click send money. You put how much money do you want to send. If it is some currency, click here and you choose to continue. After that, you choose whether your account is personal or business. So for me, it's a personal account. Now you fill these affirmations about you, they must be legal, and right after that they will ask you for a verification code, etc. And yeah, you will keep putting some information about you and then you will pay. Now let's go back to our subject and how to get our money, or how to delete our account. So basically go back to settings, and here basically you just have to close your account permanently, and that's how you can actually delete your account. So close your account, click on continue, you write them the reason why you want to quit Wise, and that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.